Hello everybody, I'll be teaching on multiplying decimals by tens. Multiplying decimals by tens. That's when you want to multiply a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 in tens. How do we go about it? Let's have our first example. Let's say we have something like 43.42 times 100. Where you are asked to multiply this number by 100, all you need to do is move the decimal points. We are multiplying it by 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so we will move our decimal points by 2 zeros, just like this, forward 1 and 2. Our final answer will be 4342. When you are asked to multiply decimals by tens in multiples of 10, 100, 1000 and all that. Let's take another example. Example 2. 0.327 times 1000. 1000 has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to move our decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. By the time we do that, these previous zeros will be cancelled and our answer will be 327. Multiplying decimals in tens. Let's take our third example. Example 3. Let's say 424.897 times 10,000. 10,000 has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's our decimal? Our decimal is here. So we move our decimal 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice that it ended in 7, but we still have one more decimal to move. So we moved an imaginary number. So this, in this place, we put 0 to make it complete that 4. So the answer would now be 424.8970. I hope you understand that. Let me do another one similar so that you will understand. Example 4. Let's say 22.3 times 1000. So 1000 has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 22.3. We are moving the decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we will move it as if there was a number there, but where there's supposed to be a number, we'll just put 0 and 0. I hope you understand. Our final answer will be 22300. So that's that on multiplying. Then I want to also touch dividing decimals in tens. Dividing decimals, sorry if you can't see it well, by tens or in tens. So we have talked about multiplying. In dividing, we just do the opposite. Let's say 0.278 divided by 10 or by 100. So 100 has 2 decimals. but because we are dividing, we don't move backward, we move forward. So we move our decimal forward twice, 1 and 2. Our decimal will now be here. Our answer will now be 0.00278. Did you get it? When you're dividing, you move forward. When you're multiplying, you go backward. You go towards the back. Now let's look at another example. Let's say something like 33.980 divided by 1000. 1000 has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. We move our decimals forward how many times? 1, 2, and an imaginary 3. And where there's that imaginary number, there will be what? 0. And don't forget, in the case of division, to put your decimal where that your line stops. So you now have 0.033980. Let me do the last example. Another example. Let's say 27.18 divided by 1000. 1000 has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. I will move my decimal how many times? 1, 2, 3. And don't forget to put your decimal here, because if it is multiplication, you don't need the decimal again as you have gotten to the end. Then you put your imaginary 0 here. Your answer will be 0.02718. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you look at the video again. Let me give you classwork to be submitted immediately you finish watching the video. Work. Number 1 is 22.41 times 100. Number 2 is 142.8 times 1000. Number 3 is 121.88 divided by 1000. And number 4 is 621.57 divided by 100. To be immediately you just finish watching the video and you understand, you just do it and submit.